This week we've been eagerly awaiting getting our hands on the brand new JEECOO J65 7.1 Virtual Surround Sound Pro Gaming Headset. Yes, it's not an over-the-top, well-known brand or anything like that, but we did indeed spot this on Amazon, priced at £25. That's 31 in US dollars. We thought it looked very interesting, and we indeed set out to test it out. So here we are today. So inside the box, we have a very simple user manual with a handy little link to enable the download of that JEECOO audio sensor onto your PC. The J65 headset comes basically packaged in bubble wrap. My first impressions of the headset? It certainly has a very unique design, quite solid feeling, with those wavy flow sidearms made of ABS plastic. Yes, unfortunately they are non-adjustable, I'm afraid, with massive 50mm dynamic graphene speaker units attached. Again, these don't adjust, they are non-rocking drivers with very thick over-the-ear PU leather padding. I must admit, when the headset's on your head, it's not really noise cancelling or anything like that, but I must admit I am very surprised at how comfortable the headphones feel when they're on your head, thanks to those very unique fly-wing flexible cushion self-adjusting pads, which are basically pressure-releasing pads to enable full support of your head with hardly no pressure whatsoever, with that strong steel top headband providing enough resistance to keep the J65s locked in place. This JEECOO gaming headset fully comes in this jet matte black colour tone. There are those mesh grills on the outer side of those huge driver units, and we have a positional bendable omnidirectional microphone attached to that left hand driver unit with them bright green JEECOO logos printed on both the headband and those earphone sidearms. Once again, attached to that left-hand driver unit, we have a very lengthy, thick, tangle-free cable, with an inline controller unit attached, with such things like a volume control wheel, a microphone mute switch, with RGB lights that can be switched off and on via that on-off light button to the left-hand side. Which, by the way, when those lights are switched on, the RGB lights on the side of those drivers, they will illuminate with nice flowing colours, with included LED lights on the end of the microphone and matching illumination on that control unit too. There is also a USB to the opposite end of that cable to power the headphones that should really connect within seconds to your chosen device. Up till now, not too bad, but how do they sound? Audio, well, I must admit it is a bit indifferent when comparing gameplay audio to, say, music playback audio.
Alright guys, so we've been playing The Last of Us Part 2 for a good few hours now, and because this headset is indeed a budget gaming headset, we are in fact quite surprised at how well balanced the surround sound is. Oh, Tyson Fury style, boom, 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 ah, yeah! And yes, the microphone quality isn't too bad too. As you may have noticed, there's no distortion whatsoever. Quite impressive in fact, comparing this headset to some of the previous tested budget headsets that we've reviewed on our channel. But the audio quality is the most impressive part. Okay, it's not using that 7.1 surround sound, that is only accessible on a PC using that JEECOO downloaded application. You can actually hear distant gunfire, the direction of footsteps, and for the price it's really quite impressive. Very impactful audio, and yeah, just a bit shell-shocked to be honest.
Gameplay surround is almost spot on, with in-game explosions that rock the bass of both drivers. Gunfire is nice and loud, with distant gunshots that was easily pinpointed. I was actually surprised at how well they performed. Okay, you don't get much noise isolation from the outside world, but when it does come to music, not that I will be intended on using this headset for blasting out tunes or anything. The bass, yes it is present, but I got to be honest, the treble is just missing something. It does sound rather low, and that is the same when it comes to the mid-range too. It is pretty much set back, but again I can't really see myself using this headset every day to play music anyway. But you know what, ultimately gameplay with these J65s certainly do have impressive and impactful audio, which got a lot better when we went ahead and plugged this headset into our PC. Now we was playing the horror games and plenty, we opened up that audio center to experience 7.1 surround sound, and I must admit, with all the little creaks and jump scares, that audio centre helps this headset provide a really immersive surround sound experience that truly sounds really quite good. Yes, very impressive. Overall, the JEECOO J65s, although they do weigh 360 grams, they certainly do look kind of bulky, and we do think that they will look kind of big, especially placed upon a child or teen's head. For adults though, they're not too bad. For long use, I did find them rather comfy, and my ears, no, they didn't feel sore, not even once. Yeah, they did fit very snug, but again, I don't know about people with smaller size heads. But what can I say, for the price, they are an excellent bang for your buck. The build quality is great, and the inline remote control is large enough to easily use, with the exception of that microphone mute switch, which we did find to be a little bit on the fiddly side. Yes, I must admit I certainly do like these headphones. For your money, I definitely can recommend them. Now, within the budget range category, we are going to give these JEECOO J65s for their design an 8 out of 10. For gameplay audio, we're going to give them a big fat 9 out of 10. For functionality, again, another 8 out of 10. For comfort, a 9 out of 10, with our overall score for these JEECOO J65 headphones today sitting at a 8 out of 10. Now, we will indeed leave a link in the video description for you guys to check these out for yourselves. And if you have liked what you've seen in this video today, why not go ahead and go get yours? While you're in our video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video today. Most importantly, please support us by subscribing just now. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, it's been fantastic reviewing a unique set of headphones, which are these JEECOO J65s today. And we hope to be doing some more unique tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!